Hi guys, Andy here from Bonsai Crazy. How you all doing? Azalea. I live in the UK, and in the UK, the best time to repot your azalea is early Feb. So I've been working hard to try and create a new pot for my azalea that I got last year. Now I got this and I got this. I've got two of these. And to be honest, they're all pretty twiggy. Azalea are very twiggy, and you have to do the cut method rather than putting wire on it, because they break very easily. So as this is not very great, I couldn't really make too much of a good pot out of this one. So that will go with my other one downstairs, and we'll see what colour it is. It's supposed to be red, but we'll see what colour it comes out, because I got two of these and I got one of these, and I was supposed to get three of the same, so didn't quite work out that way, but hey ho. Right, so what I know about azalea is, like I say, they need to be repotted in the UK early February. They need Kanuma soil, which is this stuff here, very yellow stuff. But they need Kanuma and a rhododendron type of soil. So ericaceous or rhododendron type of soil. The roots are very fibrous, so they're not like maples and many other roots. They're very fibrous, and they need to stay wet. They need to stay damp most of the time. So you don't really get an abari out of azalea. So there's not much I can do with that, but you know, the spread of this is very nice, and I'll show you the pot I've made for this in a minute. Basically, they're very boring most of the year until they flower in June, and in June they take on a world of their own, and they're very nice, and then they're sort of put away after that. They don't not really looked at. So I've made a special pot for it, so it gives a bit more enjoyment throughout the year rather than just in June time. In June time, it's going to take on a very special look, I hope. So especially once in June, after it's flowered, we can trim. That's the trimming time for your azalea. So after it's flowered, you deadhead, and you can even leave it for a little while and cut back in winter, or most people cut back straight after flowering. So, or at least Peter Chan does from Heron Bonsai. So what else can I say about the roots? When you do a repot, you should never take any more than 25%. They don't really like to be repotted, so you shouldn't really take any more than 25% of the root system off. So with that in mind, all right, let's do this now. Okay, let's take this out of this pot, and as you can see, it's very clumpy. It doesn't want to give me anything. That's because the roots are so fibrous that it's all knitted together basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pair of scissors, and I know in the pot that the way the pot is, I need to be cutting this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take that as the centre, and I'm going to push it through the middle, and I need a better pair of scissors. Pushing it through the middle, and I've gone up to about there. And I'm going to turn it around, do the same again on this side. And that's what I'm going to do, is then I'm going to try and splay it out so that it will go in my pot, because I don't really want to lose all the root. I'm just going to try and splay it out so I can get it into the pot that I'm going to put it in. So let's get you in a better position, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Right guys, so in there I've got rhododendron soil and Kanuma. So I'm just going to lay that in the bottom of my pot. Nice little thin layer, or finish layer. So there, as you can see, look, I've splayed out, I've cut it down the centre and I've splayed it out. So it's just going to sit in the pot there now. I'm going to get the wire. So that's the tree in the pot there nicely. I'm just going to fill it with soil now. Right, so there we go guys, that's that in place. And I will show you the next bit. Alright, so there you go guys. There's my azalea repotting video done for you. Hopefully I've teased you enough now and you can finally see the outcome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share and like, please, if you can. Those last two things really help me out. Please share, that'd be great. And the more subscribers I get would be fantastic. I've got a little aim of trying to reach 500 this year. I know that's a tall ask, but if you could share my videos, that'd be fantastic. I try and give you good information. Most of my information is taken from other bonsai YouTubers anyway, so most of my information on this one was given to me by Peter Chan, so from Heron's Bonsai. So please like and subscribe if you can, that would be great. I'm going to add on at the end of the video the making of the pot. So if you want to see how the pot was made, then hang on till the end of the video, and it's quick, sort of 2-3 minutes of me showing you how to make the pot. So if you want to watch that, please hang on. If not, I'll see you next time. Cheers, this is Crazy Bonsai. Take care. Ta-da.
I just bought a new whip, spent a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rockin' all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love. You